junking fool over here in Porterville. So we're over here working on the Chevy. This pile of rust. This was the box that was all bent in and caved in when I bought it. And a couple bolts I couldn't get to, so I ended up cutting them off. After these are the two, I bent that box out of the way so I could reach in and get them. Debbie, you want to film this real quick? We're going to pull the box off. This is extra wires for the fifth wheel. Watch it, it might jerk. Watch your head up there, Debbie. Oh, cool. Alright, I'm going to move it.
Well, that's setting up a little, huh?
Yeah. Now there's a real, as the pallet man would say, pinch-o-matic. So the frame's broke right here. And this is where they put the gooseneck on. And they braced it here before. And I have a feeling that might have been the reason to put the strain back here. So I'm trying to decide. See, I burnt that one off. Trying to decide if I want to cut that frame off the one out back. It's a 98, and I think this is the 93. Cut it up here and replace the springs and all. Or cut it right here someplace. But this is pretty shot back here too. I got that bed out back, and I almost run over my WD-40. I started pulling the gas tank off, and I thought if I want to move this thing around, it'd be kind of nice. I got to pull forward, so I'm sitting on my WD-40. 161,486 miles. I was actually moving it before. Oh, that WD is, what is that, an oval shape now? I don't think I punctured it. Debbie, it's about, what temperature you think, Debbie?
I'm thinking 90.
Debbie says it's about 90. She said it's about 90 degrees in the shade, and there ain't no shade. Yeah, it's pretty rough. But I still got insurance on it, and I thought I either need to fix it or get something else or cancel the insurance. I'm still kind of back and forth about putting a dump truck on the road. I just got legal plates for this, or just renewed my plates, I should say. Yeah, if a guy popped that dent out, it ain't a bad looking truck now. Put a decent box on there. Do a little duct tape on this maybe. I thought we'd do a quick video. We got the air conditioner in and we're ready for it. It was a little tricky to get off, especially in this kind of weather. I got Debbie to come out. She'd been in the house, but she come out a couple of different times. See if it fell on me. That wheel loader made it nice. I need longer forks on it. I was trying to hook in the back, and the hook kept coming unhooked, and I was kind of worried about caving the top of the cab in. Yeah, I don't think I did bad. Maybe a little scratch up there. That front bar was getting it a little bit. So I guess I'll be doing some videos of this when I get around and cut the frame. I got to get in some shade. Pretty rough. I patched it up a little bit, but oh, a little shady here. I think one of these beds weighs about 300 pounds. Did a lot of hauling with that. That's where the plug is to the gooseneck. I think I had 2 of them on it. Well, this is a junkin' pool over here in Porterville on a really hot day. Gonna go in here and cool down. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. We'll be doing this project. I'll do a video when I cut the frame or figure out what we're gonna do. Goodbye now. Thanks for stopping in. Have a good day. Stay cool. Goodbye.